I have told you that I am he. If therefore ye seek me, let these go their ways. In other words, I'm telling you who I am. Lead them, don't even go no further. I'm standing up letting you know who I am. So I said to me, at that point, Jesus was picking up his cross. See, how many times the enemy, we'll throw a rock and hide our hand. We'll know we done something, but we'll lie our way out of it. Right. Jesus already knew in his humanity that was the time. He could have said, I don't want to go through this. But Jesus said, no, I'm the one. You're looking for me. Look, busting through, you're looking for me. This is a week of. After the Sunday before. Then Jesus again said, whom seek ye? And they said, Jesus of Nazareth. And Jesus answered, I told you that I am. If therefore ye seek me, let them go their way, that the same might be fulfilled, which he said, of them which thou gavest me have I lost none. Yes. Right. Then Simon Peter, having a sword, drew it and smote the high priest's servant and cut off his ear. The servant name was Malchus. Then said Jesus unto Peter, put up the sword unto the sheep, that the cup which my Father hath given me, shall I not drink of it? In other words, Peter was in his flesh. Peter came out with that sword. Get back! Cut his ear off. But Jesus said, this is the cup that I've been given. See, so many of us in life, when our cup is passed to us, we want to pass our cup on to somebody else because we don't like what we see in the cup. Right. But that cup is our cup. That's what's in the cup. I can't explain why certain things happen to some of us and then certain other things happen to others. But whatever's happened to us, that's our cup that's been given to us. Yes. They always try to put God on the spot. Well, why God let this happen? Why God? Look, he God. Yeah. For whatever reason, I don't know your whole story. Right. And sometimes it's been our own things that have caused certain things to come up on us, and some things has just been in our cup. Then the band and the captain and officer of the Jews took Jesus and bound him, and led him away to Ananias first, for he was father-in-law to Caiaphas, which was the high priest the same year. Now Caiaphas, which he said, which gave counsel to the Jews, that it was expedient that the one man should die for the people. And Simon Peter followed them, and so did another disciple. The disciple was known unto the high priest, and he went in with Jesus into the palace of the high priest. But Peter stood at the door without. Then went out that other disciples, which were known unto the high priest, and spake to her that keepeth the door, and brought in Peter. Then the damsel said, keep the door unto Peter. Art thou also one of the men disciples? He said, I am not. In other words, here it was somebody familiar that had been familiar in the crowd. And what they was thinking about doing, okay, well, wait a minute, if he's familiar, if he his buddy, let's get him too. Yeah. Peter said, it's not me. Peter was trying to find out what was going on, but he wasn't ready to lay down his life.